with no beverage. Hello?
Nah, no beverage. Mad white sauce. That's gonna be your bev.
If you ain't banging with the prince, you're not convinced.
She blushing. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm saying don't let her see DJ though. Don't let her see DJ.
Yo, can I ask one question? What's 2 plus 2?
What's 2 plus 2?
What's 2 plus 2? Hello? Hello? You look mad good.
Oh yeah, you know. Oh my God, he's him.
Who am I, Raheem?
Anybody, back it up. Anybody.
I don't know. I don't know. That heater heating over here.
Yeah, I definitely hear it. I definitely hear it.
How you GD nigga you can't even geek?
Damn, you caught me doing that nasty ass.
How you GD nigga you can't even geek? Like, and you finna go to get sturdy nigga. Get sturdy nigga.
Ain't nothing to get sturdy to.
Ready?
Nigga always trying to sleep.
I need some rest, bro.
Ain't no Chrissy Dior, it's a powder. It's a. Ain't no Chrissy Dior, that's a. Ain't no Chrissy Dior, that's a powder. Fuck.
You gotta do the blah, blah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shit, tell me that. Oh yes.
Come on now. You see the picture that's up on You can't touch how
That's the one.
like that.
God! I couldn't wait to do that. You can smell it.
He saw me pouring.
Tequila.
I didn't see you pour nothing but juice. I didn't even know he actually put all that there.
The way he gave me it, I was like,
I just mixed it with the juice.
Nah, don't change the subject. What was you just trying to do to him? Don't change the subject.
Open up.
Hey, yo. Nah.
oh, I'm about to die.
I'm in Kinky Studios.
I'm in Kinky Studios.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
I'm a toy.
That's how.
The sound is losing me. The sound is losing me.
Hold on. Shake it. Right there. Just shake it. Just shake it. Just shake it.
That shit is tough. Oh my God. That shit is so tough.
You go here.
That shit is tough.
Excellent. Project X.
I don't know how to dance like that.
Yeah, them Project X niggas dance completely different. NYC Mukbang.
You know what I'm saying? I got ya. You know, with no beverage. Hello?
Nah, no beverage. Mad white sauce. That's gonna be your bev.
Bro, he didn't give me no barbecue sauce, bro.
That nigga eat, hungry ass. Look at you, lame ass nigga. That nigga don't eat at home. Look at that nigga.
You know what I'm saying? You got a little. You know what I'm saying?
You want it? Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying? You know?
Whoop, whoop. Right there, right there.
Oh, the TikTok thing. You know, he like.
Oh, that nigga weird. his eyes be crossing, legs be crossing. He be having my shit on his mouth.
That's better. This tastes like Raheem.
Look at that hungry nigga.
Man,
That nigga cracking that shit.
I got a biscuit. That's not a biscuit.
Yo, y'all niggas is. This nigga ain't eating
Right.
years.
You not talking about.
You not
Not a word.
BC, nigga.
Nah, that shit.
Don't look at me. I bought you this drink.
Nah.
I mean, this shit not drink. What drink? What drink I share? Oh, now mine. Hello. Hello. Hello.
He was about to cry when he thought he left that.
Yeah.
I thought he left mad shit. It was just that. Was busted?
That's it.
You got the eggs too?
Hell no.
Oh.
This nigga got eggs.
I thought you got what he got.
Yo.
I'm low-key curious how that tastes though.
Yo, he got boiled egg rice. That's not wild. Yo, boiled eggs though.
Yo, you think about everybody is eating except Ty Boogie? He got exactly. He got his sandwich first second. Demolish that shit. Look at him. And he's still hungry. See, bro, he got his shit.
Why you doing sandwich too?
What? Oh.
That's why I ain't say that. I finished. I killed my shit.
You a snitch.
Nigga was Wow. He proud too. I missed the back door. Oh yeah, you the one that didn't say that. She was looking at him kind of crazy. Nigga said I missed the back door. I'm like, whoa, that's not something to be proud of. They're like, nah, he's bugging. Nobody gonna want you around. Food busting? Food busting? Damn. Do a flip. Oh, you good? Oh, it's busted. It's busted. Damn, this shit got you. Oh, shit. Oh, wipe your mouth. Shit left him thick and crippled.
Why would I trick? I ain't no kid, but niggas really on my dick. Most of y'all niggas who know me, y'all know what I know, cause I post what I want. Like, all y'all niggas is dumb. Feel like you cute the way making y'all run. Like, I'm a Uda, but niggas don't test me like I'm fucking bitch in a renty like Raheem this, Raheem that. Think about name, I check my fucking back. Like